Okay. Good evening, friends. So we are now going to discuss about equipment used in concrete construction. Equipment used in concrete construction. See here, concrete is basically cement, aggregate, water mixed together and then deposited and permitted to solidify. Okay. Now in this one, they are mainly used for weighing and mixing large quantity of concrete constituents. Okay, now what is the title? Equipment used in concrete. Okay, so now small works they are not going to use. For bigger works such as weighing and mixing large quantity, weighing and mixing of a large quantity, for them only we are using the concrete equipment. Okay, now generally capacity of the mixing and weighing 20 cubic meter per hour to 250 cubic meter per hour. For major irrigation project, construction project, these are generally used. Okay, operations involved in concrete production are, okay, batching, mixing, handling, transportation, placing, finishing, curing. So wherever we are batching, we are going to use weigh balance mixer. Okay, mixing, we are using rotating drums and all. Handling means what? We are having dumper trucks or carrying the things. Okay, so transportation and handling both we are using the small equipments or big equipment. Placing, we are using some inclined members, some trolleys. Okay, concrete pumps, everything. For finishing, we are using the screed vibrator, plate vibrator. Okay, for curing, we can go for the pipeline arrangement, pumps and everything it can be used. So these are all the equipments used in concrete construction. In huge concreting works, quality depends upon mixing time. Do you remember this point? As the concrete mixing time is improving, workability is also increases. Workability is also increases. So mixers are used. So next point, examples for these equipments are the concrete production plants, concrete mixers, okay, concrete transit mixers, the rotating drums, agitating drums, concrete pumps and vibrators. So many are the examples for equipment used in construction. Okay, so can you see this one? This is a mixing or batching plant. Okay, from there the this one lifting of this one is there. This is a rotating drum. Okay, this is a pan mixer. This is a joist. Okay, so all these things I think you have studied in fourth semester concrete technology wherever these are applied. Okay, now in this one there are some cases are there, special cases. Pile driving equipment. See, when there is a black cotton soil or when there is a soil is not of good bearing strength, okay, not having good bearing strength, so you need to take the foundation a deeper level. To get the deeper level, open excavation is not at all possible or open pits are not possible. So we can go for piling of the foundation. So for that one, you require equipment to draw the piles. So this process of pile driving. The process of pile driving involves lifting of the piles into the position, holding it into the refusal or to the specified depth. So piles is nothing but a sharp object having specific weight which is made to fall from a definite height such that it is making a mark or impression and parallelly the earth is getting excavated. Okay, driving is accomplished through hammering effect. Okay, so the large amount of force is applied on the pile top with a hammer. Okay, that is also possible. Equipment are so designed for driven effectively at an economical cost. So here the design part will come. At what height if the hammer is dropped, so what will be the earth excavated depth. Okay, so like that you are going to design the pile equipment. So major pile driving equipments generally are pile driving rigs, pile driving hammers. Okay, these are two combinations we can use. So these are the rigs or pile driving machines. Okay, these are major used in heavy abutment or deep foundations. There they are going to use these type of equipments. Okay. So now we can go for the diagrammatic representation. So these two photographs are called as power shovel. These are generally used for earth moving equipment. So now we can go for earth moving equipment. These, and this is called as drag line. So this drag line, all the videos I have shown, okay, in the class regarding the working of this one, okay, once I have shown, I remember. So these are called as intermittent working cycles. Means what? From one position it will take the material and it will go to the another position, there it is going to drop. So that is called as a cycle, one cycle time of working, one cycle time of working. Similarly for this one, see here, power shovel. So okay, it is driven by the power. Can you see this, the shape? When you hold the shovel, it is also appearing in the same position. These are called as lifting and dumping apparatus. So these are majorly involved in construction. So these are called as, so generally this is used for sand dredging or river dredging, sea dredging works. Okay, so there it can be used. So this is generally used to move for a smaller distance. Okay, these are called as intermittent cycle. Okay, so now these are called as the scrapers. These are called as scrapers, the top two diagram. So what it is going to do is, so definite level is maintained. So here when this vehicle moves in one direction, here the grading is done, the extra layer is taken and getting automatically deposited. When it moves, there is a sharp blade, from this point it is going to deposit it. When it goes to the other location, again that blade is opened, so that remaining material is slowly dumped up to the required thickness. Okay, so this is called as earth moving, and equipment name is scrapers. Okay, these are called as concrete mixing equipment. So this is typical rotating drum or tilting drum. Okay, so this is with the skip, sorry, what is that, hopper arrangement is also made. Okay, rotating and tilting as well as hopper is arranged. So materials are fed, mixed here in the drum, and again it is discharged in the sideway. Okay, these are concrete mixing equipment. Okay, these are called as a continuous supply. These are called as continuous supply. Previous were intermittent supply. This is the continuous supply. So these are generally used in mining operation, mining industry. Their belt conveyors are used. Continuous movement of the material is there. Continuous movement of the material. Okay. So one type of belt conveyor inclined, this is horizontal. Okay, inside there is a belt. Okay, so these are called as a pipeline arrangement. Here also the materials are moved. Okay, continuous supply of the material. So these are called as motor graders. Okay, so these are continuously doing the work, continuously grading the things up to the required elevation. These are called as graders. So now in this one, the construction machinery or equipment are classified as follows. Okay, we have seen already: earth excavating or transporting, hoisting, conveying, drilling, okay, pumping, compacting, pile driving. Okay, already we have seen. We'll see what are the pictures we have got here. Earth excavating or transporting, we have so many types. Okay, bulldozers, scraper, power shovel, hoe, dragline, clamshell. Okay, so we will see the photograph of this one. See the bulldozer. Bulldozer diagram is like this, schematic or line diagram. If you see the real picture, it is operating like this. This is a typical bulldozer. Okay, it is dozing operation, movement of the earth one place to another place, movement of the earth from one place to another place. Okay, so if you see this one, it is considered to be a versatile earth moving equipment. It is considered as a versatile earth moving equipment for many construction projects. Maximum time this type of equipment is present. There is no chance of leaving this one. Okay, it may be used for clearing the site. It may be small shrubs, rocks, boulders, everything are moved. So moving earth for a short distance of 100 meter. Generally it is used for 100 meter, and also in several other jobs. Okay. Now bulldozers can excavate even relatively stiff earth. It can a little bit power driven vehicles, they can also excavate the earth and some type of soft rock. Okay. So can you see this one? This is excavating portion. Okay, if you apply this chain and draw this one, apply the force, then obviously it is going to move or take some earth along with this one. Okay, so Can you see the schematic line diagram? This is purely for dosing type of this one, dosing of the equipment. Okay, this is one of the colored picture model. Caterpillar company is the manufacturer. These are called as crawler mounted vehicles. These are called as crawler mounted. Okay, for easy movement or maneuvering it is required. Okay, this is a this was a front the dosing apparatus. Okay, one more photo of this one. So you can easily see heavy armored kind of a thing is provided. This is not a crawler mounted, this is the pneumatic tire mounted. It is called as a pneumatic tire mounted. Okay, so here for movement or maneuverability is more compared to this previous one. Okay, maneuverability is very less, but this is used in very marshy kind of a soil. Okay, marshy kind of a soil.